Welcome to this video, which is the first in our series on BCC Mail Migration Engine. Mail Migration Engine has 5 distinct areas that make it best of breed for mail migration, which we'll cover in more detail. Current supported platforms are as follows: Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft 365, and HCL Domino. Migration paths are from HCL Domino to Microsoft platforms, Microsoft platforms to HCL Domino, and Microsoft to Microsoft, including tenant-to-tenant migrations. MME is also able to actively archive HCL Domino mail and applications to HTML or PDF, allowing an active archive of data. Google Mail is also on the roadmap for a future release. It is important to have content that has not lost any information or look and feel when it reaches your target mail system. That is why we have concentrated on making sure that all of the mail messages and content is as pixel perfect across systems as it can be. Calendar systems work differently across platforms. Losing appointments and reoccurring entries is always a risk when migrating. But not with Mail Migration Engine. As we have expertise in maintaining these important daily items, we like to keep you in the right place at the right time. We can also migrate your contacts and tasks to ensure that all of your content is taken with you. The major advantage that mail migration has over some other mail migration solutions is that it can be installed locally in your cloud infrastructure or as part of our cloud managed service. If you already have an existing HCL Domino server in your infrastructure, we can add Mail Migration Engine to that server, or you can add it to a new dedicated MME server. It is simple to install and will run exclusively on your server with no client migration farms to worry about. Alternatively, you can run MME in the cloud. Microsoft Azure Virtual Servers gives you great access to your source and target systems, and they can provision locally to your tenant data center, which will give you great throughput if you're migrating to or from Microsoft 365. As we run exclusively on a server platform, the content stays secure at all times. There are no client migration farms with many technical users created that have complete access to your mail data. Mail Migration Engine only requires one technical user to be created for Microsoft platforms. If you're migrating to or from HCL Domino, the server ID is used, so there is no need to grant additional access to anyone or anything else. Transactions are stored for auditing purposes, and we have comprehensive logging for any troubleshooting. One of the major advantages for Mail Migration Engine is for HCL Domino systems, it's the most efficient way to decrypt content and send it on to the target system. On passing to the target system, there are 3 options: to re-encrypt with another certificate, encrypt to a password-protected PDF, or to mark the item as private, where encryption is not supported. Alternatively, you can choose to decrypt the source content and push it to the target system unencrypted. So as you can see, BCC Mail Migration Engine has a lot to offer when migrating from one mail system to another. Please check out other videos in the series for examples of migrating from HCL Domino to Microsoft 365, Microsoft 365 to HCL Domino, tenant-to-tenant migrations, and the active archive for mail and applications. For more information, please visit our website or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.